What police tactics weaken your Miranda rights? Imagine being pulled over or detained and feeling confident about your rights. But did you know police can use certain tactics to make it harder for you to exercise those rights? Today, we're uncovering how police tactics can weaken your Miranda rights and what you need to watch out for. Miranda rights, established by the Supreme Court in 1966, are meant to protect you from self-incrimination. They include your right to remain silent, your right to have an attorney present, and the warning that anything you say can be used against you in court. But police don't always follow these rules strictly. One common tactic is delaying or withholding the Miranda warnings. Sometimes officers question you first, then read the warnings afterward, which courts see as unfair. If they question you without giving the warnings first, your statements might be less likely to be used in court. Another tactic is ignoring your clear requests to remain silent or to see a lawyer. If you say you want to stay silent or ask for a lawyer, police are supposed to stop questioning. But some officers keep talking, hoping you'll change your mind or slip up. This is a violation of your rights, but unless you challenge it in court, your statements might still be used against you. Police also use psychological pressure to persuade you to waive your rights. They might tell you that asking for a lawyer makes you look guilty or that cooperation will help your case. They might minimize the importance of your rights or imply that only guilty people ask for legal help. These tactics can trick you into talking when you should be silent. Falsely misleading statements are another way police weaken your rights. They might falsely tell you that invoking your rights will make you look guilty or that you cannot have a lawyer present during questioning. Such lies can confuse you and discourage you from asserting your rights. There is also a narrow exception called the public safety exception. Police can question you without reading Miranda warnings if they believe there is an immediate threat to public safety. But sometimes, this exception is stretched beyond its limits to justify questioning in less urgent situations. Some officers even violate Miranda intentionally, knowing that statements made during such questioning might be excluded from trial. However, evidence obtained as a result of these violations, like physical evidence, might still be used against you. So, if you're ever detained, stay calm and clearly say you want to remain silent and have a lawyer. Do not answer questions beyond that. Remember, police can lie to you during interrogation, so don't trust everything they say. If your rights are violated, tell your lawyer immediately. They can file motions to suppress any statements obtained unfairly. Understanding these tactics helps you protect yourself. Police are focused on gathering evidence, and their methods can sometimes push you to waive your rights without realizing it. Always be aware of your rights and stand firm. Your best defense is knowing what tactics police might use and how to respond confidently.